You've been there. You sit down to work, but your brain refuses to start. Minutes crawl. The harder you push, the slower you move, and deep down, you know you're capable of more. Now imagine the opposite. You open your laptop, and suddenly, hours vanish. Ideas click. Focus feels effortless. You're not fighting your work. You're inside it. That's called flow. Elite athletes call it being in the zone. Writers call it losing themselves in the page. Whatever you name it. Flow is the state where your best work feels natural. And here's the part most people don't realize. Flow doesn't just happen. It can be triggered, engineered, practiced, until it becomes your default. Section 1. What flow really is. At its core, flow is when challenge meets skill. The task is hard enough to stretch you, but not so hard it drowns you. Like riding a wave. If it's too small, you're bored. Too big, you wipe out. But the right wave, you disappear into it. Your brain releases dopamine, norepinephrine, endorphins, the chemicals of focus, joy, and momentum. That's why in flow, time melts. Hours feel like minutes. You're not working harder, you're working differently. Section 2. How to enter flow on command. So how do you switch it on? Here are 3 keys. First, set a clear challenge. Flow hates vagueness. Don't just say study. Say finish 3 pages of notes in 30 minutes. Don't just say exercise. Say 100 skips without stopping. The brain locks in when it knows the finish line. Second, kill distractions. Every notification is like someone yanking you out of the wave. Phone on silent. Tabs closed. Even one unread message is enough to break the zone. Protect your focus like it's sacred. Third, prime momentum with small wins. Wash a dish. Make your bed. These micro victories trick your brain into motion, and motion is the doorway to flow. Section 3. Flow killers. Be careful. Flow has enemies. Overthinking is one. The more you chase perfection, the further you drift. Flow isn't about flawless, it's about fearless doing. Another killer is exhaustion. No amount of hacks will save you if you're running on 3 hours of sleep. Flow requires energy. Fuel your brain with rest, hydration, nutrition. Section 4. The everyday flow. Here's the best part. You don't need to be an athlete, artist, or CEO to use this. Flow is for the everyday. Writing an essay, cooking dinner, cleaning your room, training at the gym. The more you practice flow in small tasks, the easier it becomes to summon it for the big ones. Section 5. Closing reflection. Most people wait for inspiration to strike. They wait for the right mood, the perfect day, the sudden motivation. But flow isn't about waiting. It's about building the switch inside you. So next time you sit down and your brain resists, don't fight it, prime it, push into the wave. Let the zone take you. Because the truth is, flow isn't rare, it's a skill. And if you master it, no task feels boring, no project feels impossible, and no dream feels out of reach.